have my right hand and left hand, and now I'm going to make a simple synthesizer part. So I'm going to now double click on this, and I'm going to see that this is C3. C3 might be good, but I might also want to put it up an octave. So the first thing I'm going to do is hunt for a synthesizer. I suggest that you use something called pads, and you can find them here in GarageBand, and you check for some pads that you might think might sound nice. The only way you're going to know is if you play them. So there are some pads that also have some pulsing to them. It's really up to you to decide what you want to use. And remember, this is just for now. So you'll notice the difference between the first pad I played and this pad is that this pad sounds a lot lower. So if I play it with my piano, my keyboard parts, they actually match, these octaves match. So I am going to go in here into the edit window, and I'm going to select all, Command A, and I'm going to move it up an octave. And to remind you to do that, Alt Option Shift, and then the arrow up key, and it moves it up an octave. So now I have my keyboards excellent.